Abonnez-vous massivement à la chaîne Lisapo English Club. Hello, how are you? I hope that you are now able to communicate in English. That is really good. Keep on subscribing to our channel where we teach you English in Lingala. Naingoloba, bo continuer toujours ko salo bozo sala, ya bo s'abonner à la chaîne Nabiso. Merci beaucoup. Tout est comme on a la leçon Nabiso 29b. Izalaki yes no questions with the present continuous. La même leçon continue aujourd'hui. Izalaki 29c. Ils ont continué, mais n'a gardé la même image pour n'a aider. Parce que si on a changé l'image, peut-être que au coup tabiso na katikati à comprendre vraiment. Toi, abandonne na leçon bandeli et go bonga moké. Alors le lot aujourd'hui WH questions na leçon nabiso 29c WH questions with the present continuous. WH questions ezali ba question o yebandaka na WH. Montant what is your name? Where do you live? Why? Omoni tango banda what tuzana W na H. What is WH? Why WH? How? W est athée. Mais c'est par convention que les grammairiens ont accepté que how est à la paix compter parmi les WH questions. Pourquoi? Parce que ils ont le même objectif. Pour WH question, information question, nous avons posé question pour information. Et si on dit how are you, I'm fine. Donc on a posé question pour nos information, il était à santé na yo. Ndé yango wana how est accepté comme WH word. Alors, WH word. Tout le monde toujours imagine, ton auto aura toujours la question what is bla 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 doing. Donc mututel azo sala nini. What are bla 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 doing. Mr. so and so doing. Monsieur oyo na madame oyo to monsieur ona monsieur bazo sala nini. Donc la question est what doing, what are doing. Tina suka. Alors, tu vas la première image. Tu what is Lisika doing? Bomoni, Lisika zo sala nini. Akenda musala zonga kanda mena minito na image. What is Lisika doing? Qu'est-ce que Lisika est en train de faire? Réponse, bomoni angobe wakomi. Lisika is getting up. Lisika azolamuka. Mais la leçon de l'histoire de Totunagi is Lisika, par exemple, eating? No, is not. No, azo, nanite. Is he getting up? Yes, he is. Question à Mibale. What is Lydie doing? What is Lydie doing? Lydie azo sala nini? Lydie is sleeping. Lydie is sleeping. Lydie azolala. What are Priska and Sam doing? And Sami, I'm sorry. What are Priska and Sami doing? Donc Priska na Sami bazo sala nini sikoyo. Tokomi, they are having breakfast. Donc bazo déjeuner, bazo liabilo wana monga tongo. Bazo melati, ne tolobaka communément awa na Congo. What is Leah doing? Qu'est-ce que Léa est en train de faire? Léa zo sala nini sikoyo. To mo na image gazo ke na musala. To goloba, she's going to work. She's going to work. Question mususu. What are they doing? Omoni be étudiant bavandi, bavandi. What are they doing? Bazo sala nini. They are eating lunch. Bazo lia biloko ya midi. They are eating lunch. Bazo lia biloko ya midi. Question mosusu. What is her son Mbela doing? What is her son Mbela doing? Her son Mbela zo sala nini sikoyo? He is working. He is working. Azo travailler sikoyo. What Modero doing? What Modero doing? Modero azo sala nini sikoyo? He's eating dinner. He's eating dinner. Azo lia biloko ne ya pokwa. What Idiba doing? What Idiba doing? Idiba azo sala nini? He's checking his email. He's checking his email. Idiba azo vérifier email na ye. What Barack Obama doing? What Barack Obama doing? Barack Obama azo sala nini? Barack Obama is teaching. Barack Obama azo tangisa. What Felix Tshisekedi doing? What Felix Tshisekedi doing? Felix Tshisekedi is delivering a speech. Felix Tshisekedi is delivering a speech. Felix Tshisekedi azo prononcer discours. Azo loba, azo tanga discours. Donc, delivering is delivering a speech, discours. What is Bolasi doing? What is Bolasi doing? He is playing soccer. He is playing soccer. Azobeta bale. Soccer, banglais baméricain balobaka soccer, banglais balobaka football. Ok, sikoyo bokotanga après ngai. Okay. What Lisika doing? Lisika is getting up. What is Lily doing? Lily is sleeping. What are Priska and Sami doing? They are having breakfast. What is Leia doing? She's going to work. What are they doing? They are eating lunch. They are eating lunch. What is her son Bella doing? What is her son Bella doing? He's working. He's working. Merci beaucoup Nabino Bandeko Balandi pour notre attention particulière. Continue to watch this video. It's uplifting. Continuez kota la vidéo, ba vidéo oyo et ko matisa yo na anglais. Et ko komiso anglais lokola Barack Obama. Biso nyonso to bandaki na zéro. Ngakutu na ekola anglais na bandana ki ngasani. Ti na ke komana niveau ya licence. Yo pozali débutant tia molende okoloba. Eza nango na bu ya manzaka na yo anglais yango yo. Saisir opportunité na Lisapo English Club TV. Merci à nos prochains numéros.
anglais moko bazo l'accepter na ndenga lingala pour comprendre facilement belé bozo déplacer bozo ke na mboka ba paya ozo na monoko anglais bozo na et compréhension na likambo ba ko biso ya pete o comprendre anglais te ba tindi ko mulai pona ba schéma ko sama ko ba monoko anglais za pete ça simple langue ko banga ngote bokota na club isa English TV bango ba laksa ka penda na ndenge ke muto azana matière ko banda 01 o ka penda how are you isuka